Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Open Settings now. If TalkBack is active, remember the gestures, single finger to focus items and double tap to activate. Once Settings is open, locate Accessibility. If you see a search box, type Accessibility to speed things up. Make sure to use 2 fingers to scroll lists when necessary. This gets you to the menu that controls TalkBack without fumbling through unrelated options, and it sets up the exact place where you can turn the service off. Once you're in Accessibility, navigate to the TalkBack or screen reader entry. You'll need to focus it with 1 finger and then double tap to enter its details. Make sure to listen for the confirmation tones and read the on-screen label aloud. TalkBack will describe the toggle control. If the page is longer than the screen, use 2 fingers to scroll and find the on/off toggle and the menu that mentions keyboard shortcuts or volume key options. Toggle TalkBack off by double tapping the on-screen switch, then acknowledge any confirmation dialogues the same way. Once done, try a single tap to open an app. If it launches immediately, TalkBack is off. Make sure to disable any volume key shortcut inside TalkBack settings if you turn it off permanently. If something goes wrong and the toggle won't respond, press both volume keys for 3 seconds to trigger the accessibility shortcut. If that fails, reboot the device and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.